Hi there, this is Maths Angela doing a little bit of solving with you. So I'm going to do some example questions next to these and you can have a go at the actual questions. So as you can see, this is a linear equation. You've got to find the value of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at working one of these, a similar one out. So let's say my question is 7x plus 3 and this equals 45. Now you can have a guess at this because this means 7 times a number plus 3 gives me 45. But I'm going to use my inverses to help me do this. So I know I've got 7x plus 3 equals 45. So the last thing I did was add 3. So I'm going to take away 3 from both sides. This leaves me with 7x equals, so 45 take away 43 is 42, yes, and then I'm going to undo the timesing by 7, so I'm going to divide both sides by 7, okay, and then knowing my times tables, yeah, I know that 42 is found by 6 times 7, so my value is 6. Okay, so then you can have a go at question 1 and question 2 a similar way. Okay, moving on to ones with brackets. So I'm going to do a similar one as this one here. The only step that's different here is you have to multiply first. So let's have another one. So let's have 5 outside, bracket 2y minus 6 equals, let's say 30. Okay, we may or may not end up with a nice answer here. Okay then, so if I was working this out straightways, I'd do 2 times y minus 6 first, and then I would times it by 5. So to undo it, I do the last thing, which was the times by 5. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Okay, so here I have 2y minus 6 equals, and then 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, alright, now I'm going to undo this minus 6. So the opposite of minus 6 is to add 6 to both sides. Okay, so then I end up with 2y equals 12, and then finally I'm going to divide by 2 both sides, and then I end up with y equals 6. Okay, and that is my final answer of that example. So therefore you can do those 2 questions as well. Hopefully that's helpful. Good luck with doing those. Bye.